Hello, everybody. I am here to tell you about three free amazing things that are happening this week. Yes, for you, three incredible things that we want you to know about so that you can sign up for and benefit from. The first one is happening tomorrow, September 11th. And you might not know, but Ron and I have created a professional autism certification course. It's happening next year. It's a 6-month course for professionals who are already working in the field of autism and autism coaches. And we have an open house that's happening tomorrow, September 11th. And you can sign up for that below. Why come? Because we're going to share all the details about the course, how you will benefit from that, what you will get for that, and we'll also answer your questions, right? So I'm sure that you'll probably have specific questions on how it actually relates to you and your autism career. So come and be part of that. You can sign up below the link and put the link there for you. Then Thursday, yes, we have a free webinar and it is called S.O.S. Detecting Your Hidden Signals of Stress. Okay, now this is exciting, right? It's detecting your hidden signals of stress. This is a webinar. And this, to be totally clear, this webinar is for neurotypical adults. And you're going to learn all about your neurocrashes. If you're a neurotypical adult, you are also experiencing neurocrashes, which is what's happening on the inside when you have a high anxiety. And we're going to talk all about that. And we're going to specifically also not just talk about what is a neurocrash for you, how does it manifest in your life, but we're also going to talk about the hidden S.O.S, your hidden signals of stress, which most people don't even know. They don't even know they're having them. But once you can become aware of them, then you can do so much stuff to reduce your stress, your anxiety, and your neurocrashes. So if you want to know about that, come. It's free. And for this one, if you can't actually make the time of it, register anyway, because we're going to send you a video, right? So you're going to be able to listen to it no matter what, and you'll have 48 hours after the webinar to view it. And then tomorrow, Ron K. Kaufman, he is doing a Facebook Live. And this is actually for your loved one on the autism spectrum. And the Facebook Live is 7 causes of meltdowns, neurocrashes, anxiety, and extreme explosive behaviors. So there's no link for that, because just pop over to his Facebook. It's at 3 p.m. Eastern US time tomorrow. Just go over to his Facebook. And if you can't make it at that time, don't worry, because the recording will be on his Facebook along with loads of others. So we are excited for these 3 events to happen. So we hope to see you at one of them. Okay. Have a great rest of the week.